So I've worked for Real Property Management Alamo since November 2018, so I'm coming up on 5 years. And that's a testament to itself of why it's such an awesome place to work. It's a real big family environment, and that's really why I enjoy working here, is I know that I don't just have support inside the job, I have support outside of the job. Like, whenever I have issues with my family or my kids, I always have support from my bosses, from the people that I work with side by side. So a really big reason to work here is the family environment. It is very fun. Of course, the job is stressful like any other job, but the fact that we're a tight-knit family and we support each other is what makes it easy to come here day in and day out.
I have been with Real Property Management Alamo since June of 2021. It is an amazing place to work, very family-oriented. You learn something new every day. Everybody is very supportive and helpful. Really can't say too much other than it's awesome. It's a great place to be. Hola, mi nombre es Yvette. Yo trabajo por Real Property Management Alamo. He estado aquí con la compañía desde junio del año 21. Es una compañía muy amable, muy juntos como una familia. Todos te ayudan en cualquier problema que tienes, aunque sea de parte del trabajo o de parte de tu familia. Todos se juntan igual, muy amables, y por esa razón me gusta mucho trabajar con esta compañía.